Hey y'all, it's me, Nana Lee, and I'm back here with another cute bomb look for y'all. So, if you like this holiday icy blue look, just keep watching and I'm gonna show y'all how to get it. Cause look, it's cute, I know. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe right now. Subscribe right now, because why wouldn't you? So yes, let's hop right on into this video. I'll be taking the BH Cosmetics palette, and I'll be taking the blue shade, the lightest one. Okay, now I'm gonna take the next like the next shade up of that blue and put that below that light blue to make it like a dark to light. Take like a real darker blue, like this navy blue, like the navy blue right there, and take this real thin brush and put that in the my crease line. I'm gonna take this real thin flat brush, some concealer so I can cut my crease out. Now I'm gonna take that same light blue and put it at the back of my back here and blend it inside. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty palette. Go with this shade right here, like a shiny shimmer shade. And to give it a little bit more pop, I'm gonna take some glitter. This is the blue glitter I'll be using. But first I have to put some glue on my lids. Take my heavy metal glitter from Urban Decay and then just put that on top of that blue glitter just to give it a more silver pop look. Now I'm gonna take some black liner and do a wing. I always do this, so y'all already should know how. I'll be taking the darker blue that I used and put that under here. And now I'm gonna put some mascara on the bottom lashes. This is just NYX mascara. First, I'm gonna spray my face. I need to spray my face. Here's the highlight. I'm gonna just do a little glossy lip. I'm not doing nothing too dramatic. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see y'all next time in the next video. Bye.